Hey, what's up, guys? This is George with an unboxing video. Finally, got my package from the Mugler store. I ordered the new fragrance, Pure Shot. Pure Shot. This is the package. It's already opened because I was doing the video and the damn camera stopped working. I don't know why. So sorry about that. The box is already open. This is how the fragrance comes. Wrapped in a lot of paper. Whoa, comes with this thing. Whatever. The receipt. And they send a couple of samples. Angel Man, and Amen Sonnescence. And here he is, guys. Amen Pure Shot. There's a couple of videos out there where they talk about this fragrance, comparing it to Ace-Man and B-Man. So to be honest, I haven't had the chance to smell either one of those fragrances, so I don't have any idea what these guys are talking about. But I'm gonna give my first impression and my honest opinion on this fragrance, if I like it or not. Here we go. White box, pretty nice box. This is the back. There you go, guys. This is the bottle of Pure Shot. It is beautiful bottle. I don't care what everybody says about this bottle, if it looks cheap or whatever. I like it a lot. It's the same as the other flankers, as all the amens, but the color dim is pretty amazing. White and blue, pretty nice. I don't know what the hell this is, but anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and smell this fragrance for the first time and see. Oh wow, it's pretty nice. Really is nice. It doesn't have any DNA of the Amen, the original, or any of the flankers, but it's pretty nice. Wow, I'm happy with the purchase, to be honest. I'm very happy. uh, I thought it was gonna be ugly as hell, to be honest, but it's not. It's pretty nice. Not the best of the Amens, but it's pretty nice. But yeah, there he is, guys. Amen Pure Shot. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.